Surrendered NLFT and other former militants have been repeatedly resorting to road blockades to press for their demands. They allege that they were not properly informed about the government's rehabilitation measures and benefits available for them after surrendering. With no effective solution to their grievances, they decided to block the national highway. The protesters gathered at Sadhupatta in Baramura early Tuesday with 7 demands, disrupting traffic from some times. Following the Chief Minister's direction, Tribal Welfare Minister Bikas Debarma reached the spot and held discussions with the protesters. The minister assured them that a meeting would be held on August 21st to discuss their demands in detail and work towards a solution. Following the assurance, the protesters withdrew the blockade. However, they warned that if their demands are not satisfactorily addressed at August 21st meeting, they would launch a larger agitation. Minister Bikas Debarma said permanent solution cannot be achieved through road blockades and that grievances should be addressed through dialogue. He assured that the demands and problems of the surrendered NLFT members would be considered seriously and that they would be informed in detail about the benefits and facilities available to them under government schemes.
আমাদের খাতায় কোতরে তারা আজকে রাস্তা অবরোধ করার ঘোষণা করেছে তার জন্য কথা বলার জন্য এসেছে এখানে রাস্তা অবরোধ করে কোনোদিন সমস্যার সমাধান হয় না কথার মাধ্যমে টেবিলের মাধ্যমেই সমস্যার সমাধান হয় তাদের যে সমস্যাগুলি আমি বলেছি কল্পজয়কে যে আগামী 21 তারিখ আমার সঙ্গে অফিসে বসে তাদের সঙ্গে আমি তাদের যে সমস্যাগুলি আমি দেখব তাদের যে এই আরও অন্যান্য বিভিন্ন যে সুযোগ সুবিধাগুলি কী সুযোগ সুযোগগুলি যে দেওয়া হবে তাদের সঙ্গে কথা বলে তাদের যে সমস্যাগুলি সমাধান করা হবে।
The minister further said that successive governments over the past 35 years had failed to play the expected role in the development of the tribal community. He said the present government is continuously working for the socio-economic development and improved living standards of tribal people. He assured that the government would not step back from addressing the problems and development needs of the tribal community. All eyes are now on August 21st meeting where it remains to be seen how many of the 7 demands are resolved or whether the surrendered NLFT members return to the path of agitation. Pure Report, Fact Finder.